This is the new mixer lock from Altrad Belle, 3-in-1 device. Security to stop it getting stolen. It secures the mixer to the back of the vehicle, stop it moving around. And the third thing is, you can leave the mixer on while you discharge the load at night when you come back to the yard. Quick demonstration now on how to secure your mixer using the new Altrad Belle MixerLock. Very easy, bracket's already fitted. Hook your mixer over the front, pull it into place. You've got a pin to fit in the front and that secures it. We also have an anti-tamper proof, anti-drill safety lock. That very simply gets fitted into the bottom, out we come, and now the mixer is fixed safe in place. For all those with multiple people using the same vehicle, we've chosen a system with 10 keys, so you've no need to worry about going and having separate keys made, so you get 10 keys. The final thing, you get the bolts to secure it with, and also an option to use an anti-tamper proof nut. And all that's available from altradbelle.com.